Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chapstick holder keychain using the Dollar Tree faux leather tote bag. This one is so easy to make and so inexpensive. Here in Canada, it's only $1.50 for the tote bag and you can make 2 chapstick holders out of one bag. You can also get the book ring from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you step by step how to make a chapstick holder template from an image of a cloud. Yes, a cloud from Design Space. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Images, then from the search bar type in Clouds, click Enter. Scroll down a little bit until you find this image, click that, add to canvas, then click Shapes, then choose a square one. Then put it over the bigger cloud and make it bigger. Once the shape has covered the bigger cloud, select all and then click Slice. We're going to leave the smaller cloud and delete the square and the bigger cloud. Now we only have the small cloud. We're going to click Duplicate and then click Flip Vertical. Then connect them together like so. Select all and then click Align and center horizontally. And then click Weld. Click the lock icon and change the size to 3.35 by 3.65. And then click Shapes. Then click this oblong. Click the lock icon again and change the size to 4.15 by 2.75 inches. Then put the oblong over the other image like so, and then select all. Then click Align vertically. Click Weld. And then select the image and then click Duplicate. Then click one of the images and then click Flip Vertical. Then click Shapes and then choose the square one. And then change the size of the square to 1.25 by 1. Then place the shape over one image like so. Then select them both. Then click Align and center vertically. And then click Weld. And then connect them together like so. And once they're connected, select all and click Align and center vertically. And then click Weld. Now we're going to create a hole for the chapstick. Click Shapes, click the oblong, click the lock icon and change the size to 0.15 by 1.25. Then place it a little over this part. And then select all, click Align and center vertically. Now click Slice and delete this. And click Make It. Now I'm just gonna flip it horizontally. And then click Continue. I'm using Explore Air 2 and I'm going to use faux leather paper thin for my setting. Cricut recommends to use fine point blade, but I'll be using a deep cut blade. I'm going to be using a standard grip mat or the green mat because I don't have the purple one. It is recommended to use the purple mat when cutting faux leather. Then place the faux leather on the mat facing down. Use a brayer if you have one. I love mine because it helps my material to lay flat quicker and easier. I'm gonna put some tape because I will need extra grip since I'm only using a green mat. Since we're cutting thick materials, we need to move the star wheels all the way to the right so that it won't leave any marks on our material. I'll be using hot glue, but you can also use fabric hot glue. Now I will mark the inside part of the leather using a pencil, so I will know where the chapstick should be and where I should not be putting glue. Now carefully put hot glue on this part. You can add some tassel or leave it as is. And there we have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!